Hi guys, welcome to this short video about how to remove light scratches on hardwood floors, or at least make them invisible. So am I showing that? I'm moving now out of a home with a lot of dark hardwood floor, and we have a lot of scratches, but most of them are not from our family, but I know the landlord is really picky, so I wanted to avoid any problems. So yeah, I went through the whole hardwood floor and I found a lot of really heavy scratches. I think also this one is not from me. I hope you can see that the quality is not so good, of course. I'm always a little bit struggling with screen recording. Hope you still can see that. Here we have really heavy scratches and a lot of like paint was really going. I mean, the color of the wood was really faded away. And so what I didn't have time to go to the supermarket and buy something else. I just had this correction stick, which actually says it's mostly for furniture and cabinets and so on. And I thought, yeah, okay, the color is not looking so off, so I just tried it, and yeah, so it worked pretty well. So what I did, I just covered the area which had this a lot of scratches. Doesn't have to be really perfect matching this area, just cover almost everything. I mean, yeah, more or less the whole area with this. I mean, of course you have to shake this and then cover, like here you can see, you have to cover the area where you have the color faded out and the scratches, and after that you just rub on top of that with a paper towel, and yeah, you get a really amazing result. And the good thing is it comes in a lot of different colors. So this is the thing. Yeah, so what I was using is this red mahogany, but it's also available in different colors. Based on my experience, the red mahogany works really on a lot of dark wood. So I've been using that already a couple of times on different different places, and it mostly worked really good. But of course there will be situations where it is too dark, where you need a lighter touch. But it's available, and yeah, we'll put down the link into the description so you can order it right from Amazon. It's pretty cheap, around $5. That's really good to know, and I can tell you the result was really good. It's a little bit hard to see, but I did it. And yeah, my wife was working upstairs, and I called her and told her, hey, I've been working a little bit on the scratches and the faded colors. Could you look at it? What do you think? If you have to do more work on that? And she came down and she totally freaked out. I mean, freaked out in a positive way. She said, oh my God. She couldn't believe I just did that with this small stick. It's unbelievable what really nice results you can get. The thing is only you have to let it dry. I mean, yeah, after you use the stick, you should immediately use the paper like the paper towel, and then after that you should let it dry for a while, because otherwise if you step on it, it could stain your feet, and if you then step on carpet or something like that, wouldn't be too good. So leave it maybe for an hour or so, and I think it should be completely dry. So it was a really good experience. I hope I was able to help you. a little bit with that. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below, and I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you liked the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.